What's up, everybody? It's Melissa here at Chip Wynn Motors. I am currently sitting inside our 96 Ford Cobra with only 30,000 miles on it. And I thought I would start out in this car and take you guys across the street to give you a little update on what we have at Chip Wynn Classics. Take a little cruise through Noble Park here. This Mustang is a very nice car. We took it in on trade. It is a manual 5-speed. Currently have it at $25,990. Yeah, we're gonna take a little cruise and I'll show you it. And then we'll go inside Chip Wynn Classics and see some of the new inventory. We've sold quite a few. Got some more in. So if you see something that you like, make sure you give us a call at 270-443-1728. And of course, you can find everything online at chipwynnmotors.com as well. We are here in Paducah, Kentucky. Alright, we'll take her back out here on Park Avenue. Here's an outside view of that 96 Cobra. SVE wheels. Runs and drives